Hi, welcome to ME313 Mechanical Engineering Thermodynamics for Spring 2023. I'm Rourke Peterson, I'm the instructor. I've just opened up everything on Canvas, so you should be able to see everything that you're going to need for this class in Canvas if you go there. The first thing I would recommend that you do is to go ahead and look through and read through the syllabus. A couple important things I want to point out is that there's several sections to this class, kind of components to it. So go ahead and look at it, things like what is done in the videos, what's in terms of the homework, and then in particular how the chapter tests are done. I have another video just listed right below this that explains in detail how the tests are done. You can also see what the grade distribution is, and then you'll also see a listing of all the topics we'll cover in this class. If you go over into the modules, you'll get a better idea of what goes on in the class. We're going to cover 9 chapters in the textbook, the remaining part of the thermodynamics textbook you used in basic thermodynamics. And then we're also going to do a module on reviewing the concepts from basic thermodynamics that are important for this class. So there's 10 components to the class. Each one of these components or modules will have a test associated with it. So let me kind of show here. You'll see in the first module, this is the review. We're going to be reviewing chapters 3 through 5 and chapter 7. You'll see that there's going to be a problem set listed first. If you go ahead and click on the problem set, you'll open up a PDF. These are problems from the textbook. They're taken from the 9th edition, but I go ahead and give you the entire question here if you have a different textbook. And then each one of these questions, I have the numeric answer, so you can go ahead and determine whether you're correct. You won't turn in the homework. This is in order for you to be able to prepare for taking the tests that when you're done. In addition to the problem set, there's always a set of videos that are associated with the class. This is particularly important for the asynchronous class that's not going to be attending class to go ahead and look at it, but I encourage everyone to watch the videos. And then you'll see near the end of it, there's going to be a listing of what the chapter test is. And so you'll go ahead and click on that chapter test to take it when you're ready. This is a time test for 45 minutes. I've got an example video, so I won't go into too much more about that. As I said, if you go ahead and cycle through, you'll see there's the review section, and then chapter 9, chapter 10, etc., all the way through chapter 17. If we go back and go ahead and look at the schedule, you'll realize in general we're going to spend essentially a week to a week and a half for each one of the sections. We're covering 10 sections of the class in 15 weeks, so you can kind of figure out how that works. The tests are always going to be due on Sundays at midnight after we're done with the content. So that means there won't be every Sunday, but there'll be, 2/3 of the Sundays more or less. And that's on the schedule, which is shown with these blue lines. And again, I explained that in the exam video. Other than that, I think that's most of it. So please go ahead and read through the syllabus. Go ahead and watch the video on taking the example tests. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck this semester, and I look forward to seeing you or hearing from you or however you want to communicate. Thanks.